Hey Transformers, this is my first time doing a live video. Well, actually, not the first time. We started doing live. The first time I did was the grand finale of the 7-day challenge. But anyway, so I see people doing it, so I was like, you know what? Let me try it out. Love to hear your feedback after this. Then, I just want to share something with everyone. Something I realized during this pandemic, and it's that we can do anything we want as long as we put our mind to it. And the reason why I said that is because, like, for my example, I was able to learn and I was able to cut my son's hair. This is something that I never thought I could do. So, I'm so happy that, I was able to do that. And I'm not the only one in that situation, because I know quite a number of fathers that have done the same thing. They've cut their kids' hair, or I know some wives who have cut their husband's hair, and or I know people who started sewing, started cooking, or doing things at home. So this is something that I think we would not have been able to do before. This is something that without the pandemic, we'll have a lot of excuses not to do. The number one excuse I hear all the time is like, we don't have time. And even myself, sometimes I say that. So aside from that, don't have time, we're afraid, we're not good at it, we say can't do it, we don't know how to do it, all these excuses, or nobody's gonna teach us. So for me, in this case, what I did was I just went on YouTube, read a few, instruction, articles, and I just did it. I practiced. Outcome, good or bad, I really didn't know what's gonna happen, but that's not the most important part for me. What was more important for me was, I see him. I just can't, take seeing him, itch, because when his hair got long, I guess it got like hot, and he started itching, and he started scratching. I see some like scratch marks the back of his head already when I cut his hair. I just couldn't stand seeing him do that, like all the time, and I just want to help him. I want to find a solution for him. So good or bad, the outcome, that wasn't important for me. What's important, I was just able to help him. That's all I wanted to do, is to help. So, what do you think? Do you agree that people can do anything as long as they put their mind to it? And let me know, how do you find this live video? Love to hear that in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.